Mga kaibigan, isang magandang umaga ho sa lahat. Happy Sabbath day ho sa lahat mga kaibigan. Now, especially to all the members of the SDE Church that almost 27 to 21 million people around the world. Especially from here in the Philippines, good morning, good afternoon to all of us, especially who are celebrating this race day that God given us the happy Sabbath day ho sa lahat mga kaibigan. Especially for those people who are the members of this church that they are waiting for the second coming of Jesus Christ here in the universe. Mga kaibigan, we are just from Tagum Central SDA Church. We are just go to church if we have a privileged time in this life, mga kaibigan. All must be given to the God. All must be given to the Lord if we have a time. Because all the things that we have in this universe, life, even the life itself, was given by God as a steward of all creations on this universe. And no other than can to have a dominion of that, to be that kinds of stewardship all over the world, mga kaibigan, is only the people who are created by God. And then there is a people that God putting us a protocols of law. That's why we have a divine creation law. So the first created by God is the holy divine creation law. So that is God in their perceptions and the near future, in the future, the man will commit a crime. No, mga kaibigan. So that's why the first God do in this creations is the protocols and the law itself towards the people they are created one. So that's why we need to understand life. That the life, it's revealing into a testing of the character, mga kaibigan. Especially, they will discovered a reality of characteristic and the attitudes of an individuals towards the series of trials in their life. Money and many sacrifices at all. And also, how do we to be closer the commandments of the Lord. So that's why in every test, in every trials, in every hindrance of their life, revealing us on how do we the character. Because this world does not creations of the reward towards the favoritism, equality, asking individuals out there. It is the strong message by God that we need a strong character in order to achieve and to reach up what they wanted to become in the near future. Because God created the eyes of the people, the nose, because we are created from the dust. According to the Genesis, no? According to the Genesis, mga kaibigan, that God will created by love from the dust in order to create the people. And now the people will ignore the commandments of God, will ignore everything, the creations of God, that they are steward to all of us. So that's why, mga kaibigan, some of us, or many of us, many of you, many of us, mga kaibigan, some other people out there, they do not believe God, mga kaibigan, in this life. And that is the opinion of everybody. But we have the only one thing in order for you to reveal in ourselves on how do we to create, to nurture our life in the future. It is the series of testing by God on how do we to closer their commandments also, mga kaibigan. So I am here, and that I am not one of those experts to deliver the commandments as a whole of this universe. But I am here to sharing with you what is the graceful that I am being received from the holy mighty Father who art in heaven, from the Lord itself, mga kaibigan. The first is the wisdom. The wisdom of the people, mga kaibigan, is the most and the greatest things in this life. The greatest weapon of us, mga kaibigan, is only the prayer. No other the weapons consisting of the live ammunitions that throughout it is called prayers. It is not all about who you are. It is about who the God exists in our life and you. So that's why in the holy creations, in the holy divine protocols of law, and also the people afterwards was created these kinds of the law of the land. And they are separated in every nations, and there is a protocols of the law which is called a constitution. But the whole universe, they have a constitution of the holy divine creation law. It is called the Bible. In the holy creations of the holy constitutional international in the whole world, it's called the Holy Constitution Bible of Life, Book of Life. If you want to do good in order to harvest a good fruit, and then do it with that by the grace and the presence of God in your life. If you do not like to do it, good things in your life in order for you to harvest in the poisonous fruit of the tree, and then do it for you, because God is love. God is the biggest court of all creations. Because in the creations, because the law itself mandated us, the one who decision to commit the crime is the people. That's why there is a law will be provided on that particular crimes that they are committed in order to piecing there or to answer the consequences. It is not all about our religions, our belief. It is all about the revealing in our character in the eyes of the existence of the holy creations of God. So that's why we have in the law of ecosystem justice in this universe. How do we maintain the ecosystem of this universe in order to reflect the human life? In order to reflect on how the human life created by God. And how do we to understand on it? It's all about wisdom. It's all about knowledge. It's all about creations. If we understand wisdom, if we understand knowledge and the creations, you and me can manage everything on this universe. There is no other discussions at all. It is all about God. It's all about what we have on this universe. It's all about you. It's all about me. It's all about God. There is one God. Whatever the beliefs in this universe, there is one God. Maybe my religions, and there is no religions can be saved my life, the only me, on how do we. That is a representations of my belief, that I am believing that the Jesus Christ is the only one Savior of this universe. Thank you so much, mga kaibigan. Happy Sabbath day.